So I'm here in Bhavanipeta village, which falls under Kamareddy district of Telangana. And all these villagers I've been speaking to since the morning, they are all standing together and saying that even though it is the Sarpanch of the village who has been booked, we have taken a decision together and they have brought together just a few of the children or adults who have been affected by it. This child, they say they are not even able to go to school because when he was going to school, the dog had chased him and he broke his arm. This child was, the dog had bit in the face and her legs as well, and 3 dogs in fact attacked and they had to retrieve. This man was just has got 2 injections today and he has got his injections, 7 injections so far after being bit by the dogs. And this gentleman, once again, he was chased by the dogs and in the accident he in fact lost his little finger as well. आपके गांव में बहुत सारे अटैक्स हुए, लेकिन आपने निर्णय लिया कि 80 कुत्तों का जो शव है उसको निकाला गया। क्या आपने सबने एक साथ निर्णय लिया इस पर?
नहीं, बच्चे लोग को पीछे पड़ रहे हैं कुत्ता लोग, ये आदमी लोग बाइक में जा रहे हैं, वो लोग पीछे पड़ रहे हैं कुत्ता, गाय को काट रहे हैं, बच्चे लोग काट रहे हैं, बड़ा आदमी लोग काट रहे हैं। एक आदमी का निर्णय नहीं है, सरपंच के एक आदमी का निर्णय नहीं, पूरा गांव एक निर्णय नहीं लिया, एक पूरा आदमी का निर्णय है, एक सरपंच का निर्णय नहीं है।
आपका कहना है कि हर जो कुत्ता है यहाँ पे उसको कोई डिजीज है, उसका स्किन डिजीज है, जिसकी वजह से भी यहाँ पे बिजनेस भी नहीं हो पा रहा। जैसे आप कोड़ी जो चिकन है उसको पालते हैं,
पोल्ट्री फार्म है जी, पूरा गांव के बाहर वो डिसीज के लिए अब कुत्ते को आ रहा, आगे बच्चों को निकल रहा, वो पूरा निकल दिया और भी आए डिसीज के कुत्ते, वो भी निकालने को जरा रिक्वेस्ट कर लो गवर्नमेंट में। ठीक,
दुनिया आपको देख रही है ये कहते हुए कि आपने इतने सारे कुत्तों को मार दिया, आपने उनका क्या कहते हैं मैसेकर कर दिया, ऐसा दुनिया कह रही है। आप उनको क्या कहना चाहते हैं?
वो कुत्ता के लिए मारने के लिए हम लोग सब लोग मिलके किया है। वो तो भैंस को, गाय को, बकरी को, सबको, बच्चा लोग को, बड़ा लोग को, सब गाड़ी का पीछे पड़ रहा है, किसी को काट रहा है, क्या कर रहा है मालूम नहीं पड़ रहा है। वो इसलिए सब मिलके उसको हटाने के लिए हम लोग सब मिलके किया। और भी है, उसके लिए भी थोड़ा एक्शन लेने के लिए हम लोग, आप लोग थोड़ा रिक्वेस्ट करना है हमको।
This is a stand of the people. In fact, I have the Sarpanch here who has been named in the FIR, Swami. The report suggested that because of the recent Panchayat elections, one of the election promises was that they would eliminate not just the dogs but also the monkeys. And लेकिन आपके गांव के सभी लोग आपके साथ खड़े हैं ये कहते हुए कि सिर्फ आपने अलग से नहीं निर्णय लिया।
మేడం, అందరు ప్రజలందరూ చేసిన నిర్ణయం మీద నేను తీసుకోవడం జరిగింది. నా ఒక్కనే డిస్కషన్ కాదు మేడం, ఇది ప్రజలందరూ ఆలోచించారు. దాని విషయంలో ప్రజలకే తెలుసు. మొత్తం ఏంటంటే ప్రజలు మొత్తం ఉద్దేశించి కుక్కలతో పిల్లలను కలవడము, ప్రజలకు ఇబ్బంది పెట్టడం, ప్రజలను కలవడము, గోదలను కలవడము, ఇబ్బంది చేయడం వల్ల
unable to live here is what he's saying. Children could not go to school, people cannot go to
I completely understand that. This has been a menace. This is a menace
by the
not
dogs,
only,
and that's the reason. And all of them are standing together.
I understand that. This has
What I
been a
must also
menace.
point out is that I was just there at the mount.
Right, let me just complete, This is a menace. It's a menace across the country,
urban bodies which are
But the
supposed to
point
carry out
is,
what
can
is
you
called-
not go to the state government? Can you not go to the district? Can you not go to the officials there, lodge a formal complaint, take other steps? They have murder on their hands just because they're dogs. This cannot be the solution to a problem as serious as this, however serious it is.
Absolutely right, because the Telangana government is really on the back foot on this issue, because like the Supreme Court right now is discussing a framework in which this dog menace or stray dog menace can be handled. And what they are pointing out is that the ABC rules, which is the legal way of controlling the stray dog population, that is not being adhered to. The activists who have been speaking to and the complainant in this case, who in fact says not just in this village where 80 dogs carcasses were removed, in another one 70, in another one 300, and in Dharmapuri where there is a video of a dog actually being poisoned with a dart, and subsequently it falls within 20 seconds, the dog falls dead. Yes, it is massacre and it is not something that no one can condone. But the urban bodies and the rural local bodies, it's a failure, because as you know, the Animal Welfare Board has said for every dog to be sterilized, vaccinated and then let off, they pay about 2,000 rupees for each dog. But where is the infrastructure to be able to do
so? There's blood on
fact,
their hands.
most
Those people
municipalities, in
behind
fact,
you, Uma, there's
this
blood
one,
on the
and
hands
not-
of the officials as well at the district level, at the state level. There's no looking back. The Telangana government here on the back foot. Here's a report on what really happened on the ground there where Uma is standing.
A shocking case of mass animal cruelty has come to light in the Hanamkonda district of Telangana. The Stray Animal Foundation of India discovered multiple mass burial sites of dogs and has lodged an official complaint with local authorities. Preliminary investigations suggest that nearly 300 stray dogs were allegedly killed over a span of just 3 days. According to police, the dogs were reportedly administered poisonous injections and their bodies were subsequently buried in these mass graves.
In the due course of investigation, we exhumated the place where dogs were kept, and we found that nearly 110 dogs were killed at both the places. And we conducted a postmortem over some of the dogs, and we sent the viscera to RFSL.
Following the complaint, police acted swiftly, booking the sarpanch of 2 villages, along with several daily wage workers, suspected of helping cover up the crime. Villagers had reportedly complained about frequent stray dog bites. Instead of adopting humane measures, the Gram Panchayat is alleged to have hired individuals to kill and bury the dogs. This cruel act has sparked outrage, and now Gram Panchayat officials and workers involved have been booked. NDTV Bureau Report.